found the leaf blower. I forgot it was in the trailer, just right around the corner here. Now, let's go ahead and get the second camera rolling. There we go. Found the leaf blower in the trailer that we pull with the quad. I had the carburetor adjusted. I turned it counterclockwise. There we go. The leaf blower was running earlier too, because I had to blow off the driveway. It's finally fallen, leaves are falling. Yeah, earlier this year when I got the leaf blower, when I was test driving it around the house, well, behind the garage here, my Light 94 told me that I was having some carburetor problems. Well, one, it was cold, and of course, yes, it was burning too lean. And of course, it hadn't been broken in yet. It was brand spanking new at the time. So that's why she was leaning out quite a bit. So after got it braked in, and then last time I was in swim, which was 8 days ago, I adjusted the carburetor, and then it's finally now firing up and not going brah, brah, brah. So it's running a lot better now. So there you go. Still, machine's cold start. I already did one on the Yard Boss, so anybody's watching on the Sony camera right now, y'all have a good day. Bye bye on the Sony clip. Samsung's still rolling. And anybody's watching the Samsung clip, y'all have a good day, and bye bye.